Health experts are sounding the alarm over the rise in cases of malnourished children across Nigeria, with the northeast region being particularly affected. In Bauchi State, reports suggest that many households are on the brink of falling victim to this growing crisis, driven by the worsening economic condition in the country. In this report, Trust TV's Adamu Imam investigates how these households are striving to avoid malnutrition despite the soaring cost of essential commodities.
According to a report by the United Nations Children's Fund (UNICEF), there is high number of malnourished children in Nigeria, hence the need for concerted effort by all stakeholders to address the menace. As part of addressing the menace, parents in Bauchi State are urging the government to fix the hunger in the land through viable economic policies that will revamp the economy. It is always a struggle to feed the family. So if we are unlucky to get them, we exercise patience and think of other ways to get food. I have 2 wives and 3 kids, apart from those that have married and left the house. These are some of them. The younger one just recovered from illness. The price of foodstuff has multiplied and put us in a very difficult situation. Our husbands go out for menial jobs on daily basis, but unfortunately, some days they come back empty-handed. On days like that, we do understand and pray for God's intervention. I have 1 wife with 5 children. Honestly, my salary is nothing to write home about, because as soon as I buy a little quantity of food, everything is gone. I decided to remove my children from private to government school so that we can save a little money to feed them. We are appealing to the authorities to improve government schools within our community. If you go behind our houses, there used to be a green plant called tafasa. It is no longer there because people are now using it as food. We have never experienced this before. Getting 3 square meals a day is no longer in our menu because we only eat once or twice. I can't recall when we eat 3 times a day in our home. As I'm talking to you now, that leaf has become hot cake in our markets. Experts are calling for a strategic policy shift by government at all levels to improve the living standards of Nigerians who have been bedeviled by multidimensional poverty in Nigeria. Adamu Imam, Trust TV News, Bauchi.